We have our molten sodium chloride. Now, when this solid ion in a solid form, when it is heated in a blast furnace to a temperature, it melts, and when it melts, it becomes a liquid, forming ion 2 ions. In this process, this here is able to conduct electricity. And also here, if our molten sodium chloride is heated, it forms sodium ion and chloride ion. So in other words, in molten substance, it does not involve water, unlike the aqueous solution. So you cannot say that an aqueous solution is a substance formed when a solid dissolves in water. When a solid dissolves in water. Now, for example, we have sodium chloride. Okay, let me change it. Then let me use sodium chloride this time around. Let me use a compound like ACl. Now, when ACl dissolves in water, it gives us H plus Cl minus. We call this process ionization. So we can say that without water, we cannot have ionization. So an aqueous solution is formed when the solid is dissolved in water. We can use our magnesium chloride as well. So we have our magnesium ion plus our chloride ion. So the major difference between a molten substance and an aqueous solution is this. A molten substance is formed from a melted solid into liquid, while an aqueous solution is formed when a solid dissolves in water. So the moment this solid dissolves in water, they ionize. And the moment they ionize, they conduct electricity. In other words, the aim of these two is solid melting to become liquid and a solid dissolving in water is for them to be able to conduct electricity. So if we now define electrolysis in terms of these two, you will now know the reason why we are using molten substance and aqueous solution. But note that it is not all molten substance that conduct electricity. It is only the ionic molten substance that conducts electricity. The covalent molten substance does not conduct electricity. Example